Take to the sky! Hold on a sec. Take to the sky! Come on, jump! Seriously? Okay, that's more like it. Alright, well, that was awesome. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was talking to, like, these guys here. Okay, let's get on with it. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Omni King's jetray. So, you guys are probably wondering now that you've never seen jetray Omni Kicked before. But, I wonder what... I've always wondered what jetray was look like Omni Kinked. But this guy, well... As we all know, jetray was one of the original Ben 10 Alien Force exclusive characters. And as we all know by now, Ben 10 Omniverse. As we all know, Ben 10 Alien Force is about when Ben tries to find his grandpa and put together an alliance. So basically, jetray was only seen in Ben 10 Ultimate Alien and Ben 10 Alien Force, but never in the others. Never seen in Omniverse, or it was never seen in Omniverse, and it hasn't been seen since. So when the reboot came along, they did this to forgive them. So they put him in the new reboot show as forgiveness for the entire series. Do you think Ben will ever activate the Master Control in the Ben 10 Alien, in the new Ben 10 series? If so, leave a comment. I want to see all the aliens for sure. Truth be told, I still think that Slapback and Overblow are rip-off versions of Water Hazard and Ditto. The same goes for Shock Rock. He is a rip-off version of Shock Squatch. If so, I'd rather have those three aliens in the original rather than the reboot. Because that's just lazy writing. If you ask me, Zingo should be in the... The same goes for Zingo. Zingo should be in the original as well. That's just a lot better. He could be a supervillain in the original show. There we go. Jetray goes like this and this right here. There we go. Now just draw this thing here. There we go. There's the hose. Now, next thing, you just gotta draw this mark here. There's the line. Now we just draw the Omnitrix symbol. And when Omni Kinked, you must do it like this. Omni Kink's armor is kind of like Ultimate Alien, except it's more like the battle gear. It's like an armored suit. I'm telling ya, they rather put this in the original rather than put it in the new Ben 10 series. I mean, seriously. They gotta stop ripping off the original Ben 10. I prefer the original rather than the new one. It's just like how they ripped off the other versions of the TV shows. Well, no relation to the Powerpuff Girls. The reboot of that was awesome. It's like they added new seasons to it. It's like they're grown up and in high school. Well, possibly, I think. So, forgive me if the paper is too small. Because, these aliens take up a lot of space, and drawing these guys are a lot of hard work to do. Okay. Got one line done. There we go. There we go. There's his leg. There we go. Now we just draw this part here and this part. Alexa, resume playing. Okay, yeah, just what this thing needed. Let's get started on doing things right. I love drawing characters. Oh, be on the lookout, and be sure to let me know if the Ben 10 versus the Universe movie comes out on DVD. Cause that'd be something, right? Cause it always comes out after a few TV. Cause it always comes out after a few series of episodes. After a few months, I mean. And there we go. Finally, you just have to draw this wings here. And be sure to draw his tail. There we go. And there. That's how you draw Omni King's Jetray. So, who do you guys think is the best Omni kicked alien? If so, be sure to leave a comment below on which Omni kicks alien I should draw next. So, until then, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye!